why following roadmap is very important. A girl named Vanshika, she wanted to learn English. At the beginning, she was very excited. She watched many videos, she learned many new words, she downloaded apps. Without roadmap, she randomly studied a lot. First day she learned grammar. Next day she started speaking, and another day she stopped. Again she started. After few days she said, still I'm not improving. Still I'm not fluent in speaking. Then her teacher said, Vanshika, you are doing very hard work, but you don't follow plan. Then her teacher gave her a plan, roadmap. First day you start daily using sentences like I'm going, I'm eating, etc. Another day start practicing 5 minutes daily to speak in English. Then you start watching and repeating English videos. Anshika followed this roadmap, and after 2 to 3 months she started speaking English fluently. What do you learn from this story? Without following roadmap, you cannot speak properly. So follow roadmap. Stop translating in your mind. Start thinking in your mind. Small sentences, not big sentences. There was a boy named Rabi. He translated everything. Because of translating, it's very slowly. After a few days, he realized, then he started small sentences thinking in his mind. After a few days, he started speaking fluently. Because of thinking in his mind, he started speaking fastly than others to translating in mind. So what do you learn from this story? Stop translating in your mind. Start thinking in your mind. Listening plays important role in speaking. So start listen English podcast, movies, English simple videos, and start repeating those sentences again and again, even for 10 minutes daily. There was a girl, she started using social media, she started watching simple videos, and she started for just 10 minutes daily, but she repeated every sentences again and again, and after a few days she improved a lot and she started speaking English confidently. So what do you learn from this story? Listen English videos and repeat again and again, so you definitely can speak. Practice makes man perfect. There was a girl, she started practice every day, even she is alone. She started practicing in front of the mirror. She makes mistakes a lot, but she never stopped. She practiced daily. She never skipped even single day. After a few days, she started speaking. So what do you learn from this story? Practice every day, even if you are alone. Practice in front of the mirror and improve from your mistakes. Consistency is the key to success. A boy started speaking English 5 minutes daily. A boy started speaking 2 hours in a month. Sometimes he spoke for 30 minutes. Sometimes he did not spoke. Guess who will speak English faster? Definitely first boy, because she started speaking English every day. So what do you learn from this story? Consistency is the key to success, not more time. So start speaking English every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes. Learn English, see, understand English, see new words. She watched many videos, but she is very afraid. She never spoke even with friends. After some days, she started speaking. She never about people who laughed or not. She started speaking broken English only, and after a few days, she able to speak English. So practice every day in front of the mirror. When you practice, you became confident? A girl named Ishika, she knew words. She understood English. She watched videos, but she never tried to speak. Why? She afraid of speaking. One day her teacher asked Ishika speak in English. She stood up, her hand shaking. She tries to speak, but words didn't come out. Some students laughed at her. She sat quietly. She decided I never try English again. After some time, she saw a boy speaking broken English. He made lots of mistakes, but he is still speaking. Nobody is able to stop him. Time she realized English never stopped me. Fear stops me. She decided from that time, I speak English. I didn't afraid of anyone. Again she started speaking English. Slowly she improved. After a few months, she able to speak English confidently. What do you learn from this lovely story? Fear stops us, not English. Don't be fear. Just start speaking and then you became confident. Repeat, I am not afraid. I will speak. I will improve. I am confident. I want to ask you a question. What type of fear you have? Fear of people? Fear of to making mistakes? You don't feel confident. Are you just think, लोग क्या कहेंगे? Really? The truth is, nobody cares about you. Everyone is busy in her life, so don't don't be care of anyone. Just speak confidently. That's much. A boy named Rahul, he knew English, but he never spoke. Because why? He felt that he afraid of speaking. One day he tried to speak one sentences. People laughed at him. Again he spoke. Again people laughed at him. But he never stopped. He started speaking. Then what happened? After some times people stopped to laugh at him. So what do you learn from this story? That people always laughed at you at the beginning. So don't stop about thinking that what people say, what happened if people laughed at him. Don't worry. You have to just focus on your growth. Don't people. Say with me. I don't care people. I will speak. Don't try perfect English. Start simple sentences like I'm going, I'm eating, I'm trying, I'm happy, I'm confident, I'm the best. Why practicing English is very important? Because English is a skill and skill needs practice. Without practice, you could not learn any skills. So practice every day. And hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video.